If you've ever wanted to link items together in Monday.com, for example, to connect tasks, projects, or team updates across boards, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this quick guide, you'll know exactly how to set up and use the Connect Boards feature, so you can easily build relationships between items and streamline your workflow. Let's jump right in, and I'll walk you through each step, making sure you understand not just what to do, but why it actually helps make Monday.com so much more powerful. We're going to start by adding a Connect Boards column to your board. This is essential because it's the foundation for creating those direct links between items. And without it, the magic just doesn't happen. So head over to the Monday.com board where you want these connections. Once you're there, look over to the far right of your columns. You'll see either a small plus sign to add a column, or you can click into the column menu. Sometimes you may have a lot of columns already. Don't worry, just scroll as needed. Monday.com makes it easy to keep everything organized. In the search bar, type Connect Boards and select that column type when it appears. Adding columns is something you'll do a lot in Monday.com, so get familiar with it. It's one of those basic steps that opens up so many possibilities. Next up is configuring the column. And this is where things get a bit more interesting. A setup window will pop up as soon as you add that Connect Boards column. Now, you'll need to choose the board or boards you want to link. Maybe you want to connect items within the same board, for example, linking a task to a related subtask, or perhaps you're working across teams and boards and want to connect a sales opportunity on one board to a project tracker on another. Either way, you get to decide here. There's a thoughtful touch here as well. If you want more than just a connection, you can also pull in key information from the linked items. For example, maybe you always want to see the status, due date, or who's assigned to the linked task, right here on your main board. Simply check the box for Create a Mirror column, and you'll be able to pick exactly which fields you want to mirror. Having mirrored information is incredibly handy, because it means you won't have to jump between boards just to see important updates. It all appears automatically. While you're configuring, you'll also choose the link type. Do you need to connect one item in your current board to several items on another board? For example, maybe an epic links to multiple user stories. Or do you want to set a one-to-one relationship? Think customer order and individual invoices. Take a moment to think about your workflow here. The right choice will keep everything logical and tidy in your boards. Once you've made your selections, just click Connect Boards, and the new column will be ready to use. Now comes the fun part, actually linking your items. In the cell under the Connect Boards column for any item, click to activate it. A search window pops up, showing you all the items from your selected board or boards. You can type in keywords or scroll to find exactly what you need. Select one or more items. As you do, their names will appear right in the cell. And just like that, those items are now linked. This might take a few moments if you have lots of items to sift through, but take your time. It's worth getting this right so your boards stay organized and meaningful. And that's it. You've successfully created connections. And if you set up a mirror column, you'll see information from linked items automatically appear, saving you from manual data entry and making your workflow a whole lot smoother. The Connect Boards feature is truly a game changer for teams needing visibility and coordination across Monday.com's boards. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit like, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more tips from Monday.com. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you never miss an instructional video that can help you and your team get more done. Thanks for watching.